This is how to have a mentoring conversation with your peers or siblings. Step number 1. On your phone, go to your app store and download the app called Go Mentor Youth. Step number 2. Open the app and pick your category. Step number 3. Pick your topic. Step number 4. Show the video on your phone. Step number 5. Use the questions to talk about the video topic. Step number 6. Fill out the survey to get credit for what you did. Now, as you're having your mentoring conversation, remember to ask the questions like you're having a conversation, not like you're doing a test. Answer the questions too. Ask other questions depending on what the other person says to you. And share any examples from your life that relates to the topic. That's all it takes. It's that easy.